Hello again, friends. It is your loan guy, Troy, with the Reichert mortgage team. I was having a conversation with a buyer that I'm helping out right now, and they were like, well, what happens if we lock in the interest rate and rates go down? It's a great question. Wanted to kind of share that with you. Generally speaking, we have that conversation. Once you lock it in, you need to have it in your mind that that's going to be your interest rate at closing. Are there opportunities to maybe get that down a little bit further? Yes, there are, but they're few and far between. One, I am a broker, so if they get a lot lower, there is potentially an opportunity where I can move that file if we have enough time between that and closing to do that. I don't do that very often because my lending relationships don't allow it too often. So, but in one of those rare circumstances, I can look at that. The other thing that we can do is what's called a float down. My lenders do allow that. What that means is, let's say interest rates went down 0.5% between when we locked it and, while you're still buying your home. The one piece that we want to talk about there, of course, is if it goes down 0.5%, you're not going to see that full 0.5% difference, okay? The lender is going to allow you to see maybe about 1/4 of that as far as interest rate is concerned. You locked it in. The security of locking it in means if rates go up, you're good to go. But if rates go down, again, usually you don't realize that change. But they do have that float down option. So let's have that conversation. And I keep an eye out on that for my friends anyway that are in the pipeline and are buying homes. So don't worry about that. Troy, your loan guy, wanted to pass on what happens if you lock in a rate and the rates go down. Take care. Bye.